Hi everyone, this is a follow-up to the mixed Pantone swatches tutorial that I did. This is going to be a tutorial where I show you how to save all of these swatches so that you can apply them to different objects in Illustrator and use them to create um, a colorful and more full image than just something that is, a two-color Pantone image. Okay, so the first thing that you might have tried to do is in your swatches panel, um, click and drag your your new color, into the swatches panel. But what that really does is it just creates a pattern, and you can see these really thin lines inside the shape that are the exact size of your square, because if you double click on this, you'll see that you created a new pattern, and that's not what you want. So we're going to go ahead and delete that out. Say yes, and we're going to get rid of that pattern inside that shape. So what you need to do is you need to save these individual colors as graphic styles. Now, a graphic style is very much like a paragraph style that you use in InDesign when you're styling a font and you choose the font, the size, the color, all those things. It's the same concept, but it's for shapes and objects. So you're going to be saving the fill, the stroke, the opacity, all these different things. What You could save the different types of strokes that are in here, patterns, all kinds of stuff. But what you want to save right now are your fill colors. So what you're going to do first is open the window for graphic styles. So go to Window and Graphic Styles. And here I've already saved all of mine. And I'm going to go ahead and delete them so I can show you how I did it. And we're just going to delete all these. Okay, so all you have to do is click and drag your shape over. Now, unlike the swatches panel, it's not going to create a pattern. It's going to assume the same graphic style that this shape has onto the new shape. And just to show you, I'm going to throw a few of these in here so you can see the different colors and different tones. And we can fill this object. Okay, so these are filling with full color. Now, because they're just fills, they will not work on strokes. So what I suggest you do, because it would be a pain in the butt to redo this with the strokes and then have to apply the stroke to this grid and then save each one of these individually, it's just a pain in the butt. So yes, you do have to save them individually. I hope I said that. That's kind of a big deal. But you only have to do it once, and then this file can be your file that you save and use to have for all of your graphics, for all of your mixed Pantone swatches. So I'm going to go ahead and undo, because now you know how to save these. But I want to show you with all of my swatches in here, and don't do what I did and individually save them out of order, or maybe I didn't. I guess I didn't. Make sure that you're saving them and dragging them in order so that they are creating a grid that makes sense to you, like going from white to yellow or something. I don't know. Okay, so like we did before in the video, I'm going to show you really quick how to change your colors out. So I want to be able to see my graphic styles. I want to be able to see my swatches panel and my artboard. And I have a small laptop, so I am sorry that this is taking me a second to maneuver. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Okay, so go into your swatches, pick out another Pantone color, anything you want. So let's do a blue, and I'm also going to choose a let's choose like a, I don't know, like an orange. Why not? Okay, so you're gonna select the color that you want to replace, hold down the command key, click the color that you want to replace it with, go to the drop down menu, merge swatches. No, that's not the way you do it. You click the new color, and you have to do it in this order, that's why. Hit command, click on the old color that you want to replace it with, and now hit merge swatches. Now it updated, and it's beautiful new palette, and all of your graphic styles have updated, and they're all the new fills. So say I wanted this color to be that, you know, like you can just change it out. And do not, because of the complexity of the layering and everything, you can't rely on your swatch indicator here. It's only going to tell you the fill color of one of the colors in these swatches. So the dominant color is pink, and it's just going to tell you what the fill is for that color and not both colors. So don't rely on that. But we can also take the new color first, hit command, and then select the old color and merge swatches again. And beautiful, they've all updated and it looks great. So the project that I had, I wanted multiple shades for this project, and I did not want to layer and worry about transparencies. And so when I created this illustration, I really was determined to figure this out, and this was you know, this is one of the things that you can do, and you don't have to worry about if you were to take this to an offset printer. In their pre-press workup where they make the different plates for each of the Pantone colors, or just like CMYK, they make different plates to apply the color to, the separations would happen during the pre-press process. And so you wouldn't have to worry about any technical issues with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it's helpful, and I hope that you have colorful, beautiful, amazing, creative projects that, you know, you can make. Thanks. Bye.